What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. We are currently in week 2 and day 14, I don't have enough fingers, of my coding journey. But if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I am committing myself to 100 days of code. In addition, I am new to the software development world and I am self-teaching. This past week, I managed to review HTML, finish up my CSS studies, and create my very first non-tutorial project. What? Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself, but it would not have been a success if there weren't any hindrances along the way. Of course. CSS ended with the concept of CSS variables, which is a powerful way to change style properties. This knowledge came in handy when I was challenged to create a Google homepage the very next day. Plugging in the basic structure of HTML was no task for me. I was able to input the Google logo, dead links, and text box into the code, and created a separate sheet for the CSS. The challenging part came, however, when I had to implement CSS into my code. How to modify the sizing of the text box, how to adjust the contents on the screen to the size of the screen it's being displayed on itself was very confusing for me. I quickly revisited the completed lessons to gain a refresher on these subject matters. Modifying the size of a text box I understood and picked up after. However, I had to venture out to other resources to fully comprehend how to incorporate media queries to change variables. Just like everything else, I Googled it, like a true developer. This is important because when learning HTML and CSS, and I'm sure every other language, learning from a project-based framework is immensely more effective than from a tutorial. Searching for the solutions to my broken code allowed me to fully comprehend and apply the concepts in an organic way. There is still much to be refined in my technique, and I haven't completely nailed all the possibilities down yet when it comes to HTML and CSS, but I plan on getting there through continued practice. It's quite amazing because most of my learning came from me trying to figure out why isn't this code working, what is wrong, and how can I fix it. But when I managed to fix it, or when I managed to figure out the code, it was like the best feeling ever. There are still more possible improvements which can be done, but for the most part, I gained quality practice while building the Google homepage. My week ended with a not so nice event, however. This is what I'm talking about. This crack. This little... So yeah, that just happened. It is an easy fix, but it's certainly an impediment to my studies. Has this ever happened to you? If this has ever happened to you, please comment down below to let me know so I can relate. Given the current climate that we are in, I'm so happy that it's not more than what it really is. I was still able to go back in and make some improvements and changes to the code. It's ironic, although I was creating a Google homepage, Google came so much in handy for this project, and I now understand why so many people in tech keep saying that Google is going to become your best friend, because Google was my best friend. But anyways, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like the content being shared, please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!